Hi traders, welcome to Kajane Trade and Time. Today's video is about Banknifty review dated 5th August 21. Today is being the weekly expiry day. 5th August 3rd, Thursday is the weekly expiry day. The other key points are not so important because CPR range is wide, trading range is narrow. I am always telling when CPR range is wide, today's CPR range is wide, trading range is narrow. That's why other key price points doesn't touch previous day high or one previous day low or S1 doesn't touch any of the price indicators because today's CPR is wide CPR. Today's CPR is wide CPR. It indicates sideways market around 200 points. Today market trading around 200-250 points range only. Because of that, other price points are not so important for today's market. Today's CPR is higher value CPR. Higher value CPR means it is higher than the previous day's CPR. It indicates it is a bullish market. It is a bullish market, but if you see the opening candles, first red candle, second red candle, third red candle, that means today's higher prices uptrend market has been rejected by the market. See, 1 2 3, it has not moved above 20 periods. Moving average above prices has been rejected. CPR opening trick, opened candles opened within CPR. If you see these three candles opened within CPR, it means it is a sideways market. CPR is home for candles. When CPR candles are within the opened within the CPR, it will become a home for candles. That means the candles will be within the CPR or close to the CPR. For trading means it is a narrow or a range bound market. For non-directional trade, yes, you can take a straddle or a strangle. Straddle is better than the strangle because of low premium above the ATM strikes. Directional traders, no, because today is the sideways market. Make proper trade setup, then trade with no fear and no greed. Keep your trading as simple as possible. To learn all these things, we are conducting 2 days workshop for technical analysis and also to learn price action with options basics to advanced and also CPR indicator tricks. To learn and earn, you can contact 96 866 85157. Thank you.